Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about protein, the building blocks of a strong body, not some weak excuse for a meal. You office workers and computer lovers always complaining about being tired and slow. Well, it's no surprise, is it? You're running on empty, my friend. Not having enough protein is a real problem, especially for busy people like you. You're always on the move, grabbing whatever's quick and easy, which usually means processed junk food that's about as nutritious as a soggy paper bag. No wonder you're tired by lunchtime. Did you know that almost 30% of grown-ups don't get enough protein? That's right, almost a third of you are running low on fuel. Well, I'm here to tell you it's time to stop making excuses and start making a change. Let's be real, a good breakfast sets you up for the day, giving you the energy and focus you need to tackle whatever comes your way. But who has time for a big cooked breakfast every morning? Between getting ready for work, handling the kids, and trying to squeeze in a workout, mornings can be hectic. I'm talking about a quick, protein-packed start that'll boost your energy and keep you going until lunch. You don't need to spend hours in the kitchen to eat well. First up, Greek yogurt with nuts. It's a fantastic option because it's not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. It's creamy, it's tasty, and it's full of protein. Greek yogurt is thicker and creamier than regular yogurt, making it a more satisfying choice. Throw in a handful of almonds or walnuts for some healthy fats and crunch, and you're good to go. These nuts add a satisfying texture and are packed with nutrients. Next, we've got protein smoothies. These are perfect for those who need something quick and portable. Now, I'm not talking about those sugary drinks you get at the shops. Those are often loaded with hidden sugars and artificial ingredients. I'm talking about a proper smoothie with real fruits, spinach, a scoop of protein powder, and maybe a bit of almond butter for extra flavor. This way, you control what goes into your drink. Blend it up, and you've got a breakfast that's ready in minutes. It's nutritious, delicious, and perfect for those on the go. And for those of you who can't live without your eggs in the morning, scrambled eggs are the way to go. They're quick, easy, and versatile. Whip up a couple of eggs with some chopped veggies and a sprinkle of cheese, and you've got a protein-rich breakfast that'll keep you full and focused all morning. You can even add some herbs for extra flavor. The best part? All these breakfast options can be made in under 5 minutes, making them perfect for even the busiest of mornings. Even if you're as slow as a snail. No more excuses, all right? With these quick and nutritious options, you can start your day right, no matter how rushed you are. All right, lunchtime. Time to refuel and power through the rest of the day. But that doesn't mean going for soggy sandwiches and oily takeaways. We're going for quick, easy, and protein-packed options that won't make you feel sleepy. First on the menu, grilled chicken salad. Grilled chicken is a lean protein source that's full of flavor. Throw it on a bed of greens with some chopped veggies, a sprinkle of nuts or seeds, and a light dressing, and you've got yourself a winner. Next up, quinoa bowls. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it has all the good stuff your body needs. It's also gluten-free, and you can add whatever you like. Roasted veggies, chickpeas, avocado, tofu, the possibilities are endless. And for those of you who love a good wrap, chickpea wraps are the way to go. They're packed with protein and fiber, and they're a healthier choice compared to regular wraps. Fill them with your favorite veggies, some hummus, or even some leftover grilled chicken, and you've got a lunch that's both yummy and healthy. Remember, a proper lunch should give you energy for the afternoon, not make you sleepy. So, ditch the junk and choose these protein-packed alternatives. Chapter 3. Dinner delights? No time to cook? Rubbish! Let's dive into some quick and easy recipes that will make you rethink your dinner routine. You're back from work, tired, and the last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen. We get it, life can be exhausting, and sometimes cooking feels like an insurmountable task. But that's no excuse for ordering another takeaway. Not only is it often unhealthy, but it can also be quite expensive. Let's explore some alternatives. We're talking quick, easy, and protein-packed dinners that even the laziest person can manage. First up, baked salmon. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Salmon is a fantastic source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your brain and heart. Plus, it's super easy to prepare. Simply season the salmon with some salt, pepper, and lemon juice, wrap it in foil, and bake it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Easy peasy. You can even add some herbs like dill or parsley for extra flavor. Next, tofu stir fry. This is a versatile dish that can be customized to your liking. Tofu is a great source of plant-based protein, and it absorbs flavors beautifully. It's perfect for those who prefer a vegetarian option. Stir-fry some tofu with your favorite veggies, add a splash of soy sauce and some sesame oil, and you've got a delicious and nutritious dinner in under 30 minutes. You can also throw in some garlic and ginger for an extra kick. And for those of you who love a hearty soup, lentil soup is the way to go. It's comforting, filling, and packed with nutrients. Lentils are packed with protein and fiber, and they're incredibly affordable. They are a staple in many households for a reason. Throw some lentils in a pot with some chopped veggies, stock, and herbs, and let it simmer away until the lentils are tender. You can also add some spices like cumin or turmeric for added depth of flavor. It's the perfect meal for a cold winter evening. Imagine coming home to a warm, hearty bowl of soup after a long day. Remember, cooking a healthy, protein-rich dinner doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a fun and rewarding experience. With a little bit of planning and these simple recipes, you can fuel your body the right way, even on the busiest of days. So roll up your sleeves and get cooking. Chapter 4. Muscles and Might Protein Powerhouse. Listen up, everyone. We're not just talking about looking good in the mirror, although that's a bonus. Protein is super important for building and repairing muscle, especially after a workout. Think of it as the glue that holds your body together. When you exercise, you create tiny tears in your muscles. Protein comes in like a superhero, providing the building blocks needed to repair those tears and make your muscles stronger. Without enough protein, your body struggles to recover, leaving you feeling sore, weak, and more likely to get injured. Now, the amount of protein you need depends on how active you are and your goals. But as a general rule, aim for around 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. That's about 56 grams for the average woman and 75 grams for the average man. So whether you're a gym fanatic or just starting out, make sure you're getting enough protein to support your muscles and help them recover properly. Remember, a strong body starts with a strong foundation. Chapter 5. Your protein plan, no more excuses. Right, everyone. Now you know why protein is so important, it's time to get personal. Protein is the building block of life, and it plays a crucial role in repairing tissues, making enzymes, and supporting overall health. We're not all built the same, so why should our diets be? Each of us has unique nutritional needs based on our body type, activity level, and personal goals. Listen up, because this is important. Understanding your own body's requirements is the first step towards a healthier you. First, figure out your activity level. This will help you determine how much protein you need to support your lifestyle. Are you a weekend warrior, a gym rat, or somewhere in between? Your activity level directly impacts your protein requirements. The more active you are, the more protein you'll need. It's simple maths, really. For example, athletes and bodybuilders often require more protein to support muscle growth and recovery. Next, think about your goals. Whether you're aiming to build muscle, lose weight, or just maintain your current physique, your protein intake should align with these objectives. Are you trying to build muscle, lose weight, or just maintain? Each goal requires a different approach to protein consumption. Your protein needs will change depending on what you're trying to achieve. For instance, those looking to build muscle might need more protein than those simply trying to maintain their weight. Once you have a rough idea of your protein needs, it's time to make a plan. This plan should include a variety of protein sources to ensure you're getting all the essential amino acids. And don't even think about skipping meals. Consistency is key when it comes to meeting your protein goals. Spread your protein intake throughout the day to keep your energy levels stable and your muscles fed. This can help prevent muscle breakdown and support continuous muscle repair. If you're struggling to hit your protein targets, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are plenty of resources available, from online guides to professional advice. A nutritionist can help you create a personalized plan that fits your lifestyle and goals. They can provide valuable insights and adjustments to ensure you're on the right track. They're like personal trainers for your diet, and trust me, they're worth their weight in protein powder. Their expertise can make a significant difference in your nutritional journey. Remember, this isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making smart choices that fuel your body and help you feel your best. A balanced diet rich in protein can enhance your overall well-being. So, ditch the excuses and take control of your nutrition. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll feel more energized and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Outro, get on with it. So there you have it, you lazy bunch. We've covered the importance of protein, busted some myths, and given you a load of delicious and easy high-protein food hacks. No more excuses, all right? It's time to take what you've learned and put it into practice. Start incorporating these high-protein options into your daily routine and feel the difference. You'll have more energy, recover faster from your workouts, and build a body you're proud of. Remember, your health is your responsibility. So stop making excuses, get in the kitchen, and start fueling your body the right way. Now go on, get out of here. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to live your best life.